Lattics style templates make it easy to lay out your articles. In the settings bar on the right, different types of style templates are built in: media, academic papers, notes, and novels. Just switch with one click and it will take effect immediately. You can also create your own style templates to set styles for different paragraph types. Set the font size and color of the title text like this. Add a border to the title paragraph and adjust the border style. Change the quote paragraph style to quotation marks. Modify the color, size, and distance. After the settings are completed, you can create a new one and save it in the style template list. You can switch the application scope of the template at the bottom of the settings bar. Finally, these beautifully formatted articles can be exported, printed, or distributed,